I felt if there had been a woman officer, she would have said, "Jabardasti, matlab kya? Tum kya कहना चाहती हो?" And media should have been given a free access. Again, by stopping the media, you are trying to say there is something to hide. It starts from registration of an FIR. See, I was watching a video of Hathras victim where she is saying that उसके साथ जबरदस्ती हुई. I felt if there had been a woman officer, she would have said, जबरदस्ती मतलब क्या? तुम क्या कहना चाहती हो? So I felt even in an injured state, she didn't want to talk to a male officer or what exactly had happened. So she said something like Jabardasti. Now, for prosecution to prove that by Jabardasti she meant rape is a Herculean task. Had there been a lady officer, I think she would have opened more. But presence of women increases the comfort level of victims and lady witnesses, women witnesses, all through the journey of from investigation to trial. Uttar Pradesh has very good professional lady IPS officers. This case should have been entrusted to one of the women IPS officers for investigation, and media should have been given a free access. Again, by stopping the media, you are trying to say there is something to hide. If there is nothing to hide, free access to media, transfer of this case to a lady IPS officer of good credentials, cremation as per the family's wish. Police should have had no role in that. Intricacies of investigation, they should not have spoken, whether forensic reports or medical report. But generally, they should have come out with the statements and public information that we understand the gravity of the crime. A department is headed by men at this stage who are not yet totally open to women being given field duties, challenging field duties. I understand the makeup, but so is the mental makeup of women who many times are not ready to accept these duties. Wherever they have asked for, they are being given. In regular routine distribution of each police station, they try to adjust women both for field jobs when they want or for desk jobs when they want. Some erratic, irrational behavior of men notwithstanding. Uttar Pradesh seems to be having a lot of caste conflicts. So we can build pressure that the case which is now with CBI, trial should be outside Uttar Pradesh. We can take interest in the quality of prosecutor. This case needs special prosecutor. My feeling is, my advice would be even the prosecutor should not be from Uttar Pradesh. So we should build pressure that highly qualified and rated prosecutor should be engaged for this particular case. Then we should build pressure that the trial should be immediate and day-to-day basis.